Good afternoon. How can I assist you? Good afternoon, sir. I'm looking for some books that can help me improve my English pronunciation and communication. Do you have any? You've come to the right place. We have a wide range of books tailored to all levels of English learners, starting from the beginners and starters, moving up the ladder to the intermediate and advanced level. May I ask what level you are currently at? Are you a starter, a beginner, an intermediate, or an advanced learner? I'd say I'm between intermediate and upper intermediate level. I can manage everyday conversations, but I struggle with more complex topics and want to sound more natural. That's great to know. For someone at your level, I'd recommend starting with English conversation. It's excellent for building your speaking skills. For someone at your level, I'd recommend the series of North Star with all the levels, starting from the basic level. It covers a wide range of topics and communication skills. You know, it is going to enhance your skills of speaking, and it develops the vocabulary, the core vocabulary that you need for that kind of purpose. That sounds good. Does it include exercises or just dialogues? Yes, it includes a variety of exercises. Each chapter ends with practice activities that enhance what you've learned in the chapter. The exercises are tailored and designed to get you started in speaking by simulating real-life situations and scenarios and using the language in real-life situations. Perfect. Do you have anything that focuses on improving communication strategies, like how to start and maintain conversations? Business to Social by Rosalie Maggio. This book is really fantastic to initiate and carry out conversations. This book also covers a wide variety of expressions and terms that are used not only in conversations, but in professional communication. That is exactly what I need. Anything else you would recommend for pronunciation and improving accents? For that, I recommend American Accent Training by Ann Cook and Pronouncing American English. These are excellent choices to improve your intonation, stress, and word pronunciation in general. It is very comprehensive and it includes audio files to help you understand and hear the pronunciation of each one of the syllables. You will be able to imitate and hear the real pronunciation, intonation, stress, and rhythm of native speakers, which can greatly improve your pronunciation clarity. That is fantastic. I will take the 3 books then. I'm really excited to get started. Excellent choice, Mr. Ahmed. These books will be very helpful on your journey to master English communication. If you have any questions or need more recommendations, please do not hesitate to drop by in the future. Thank you so much, Mr. Mohammed. I'll definitely come back when I need more guidance. You're always welcome here in Iqra Bookstore. Enjoy your reading and practice.